Greetings everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video we will write our first simple Python program using Jupyter Notebook. So our first program will be print welcome to Python tutorial. So print in Python is a built-in function that displays what is written in the parentheses. So everything that is written in the parentheses will be displayed as it is by print command. We can also use a single quote as the output is the same as the double quote. And welcome to Python tutorial is a string in Python. Of course, in many programming languages, and it is a sequence of characters enclosed in either in a single or a double quote. We can also print integers like print 5. We can also print decimals or floating point numbers. So 5 is an integer and 5.4 is a float. So let us directly go to Jupyter Notebook. So you come here and type Anaconda Navigator and you click on Anaconda Navigator app and this will be launched. And from this you will select updatable application and you will find Jupyter Notebook and you click on launch. So after you have launched, you can type the local host 8888. This 888 is actually the default port for this Jupyter Notebook. So if this 88 port already used by another application or another instance of Jupyter Notebook, it will automatically try the next available port, which is 8889. And if this is again occupied by another instance of Jupyter or another application in the system in your computer, then it will go to 8890 port and so on. But if not occupied, the default port is 888. So this is our Jupyter Notebook, and here we can manage our folders. So let us create our project under the desktop. So double click on desktop and then come to new. So new folder and type my Python tutorial. Let's call it my Python tutorial and double click on my Python tutorial, and there we can open Python 3. So under my Python tutorial we have untitled application or file name. We give it appropriate name, my first Python program or my first Python code. So by default Jupyter Notebook saves with extension IPYNB. IPYNB means interactive Python notebook, and then you click on rename. So the first thing that you see is a cell. This is called a cell and it is called specifically a code cell. So let's write our first program, print welcome to Python tutorial. So you run using this button. So welcome to Python tutorial will be displayed anything in the double quote or in a single quote will be displayed. So tutorial. So you can alternatively use a single quote. The output is the same. Okay, let me make it a bit bigger. And let's write print 5.4 or 5.4 or 5, and then run it. So 5 will be displayed, and print 5.4. This is a decimal number or a float. This will be displayed. Print again 5.4. This is actually a string because it has been enclosed with a double quote. So run it. But how do we know the data type? To know the data type, we can use a built-in function like similar to print type 5.4. So the data type of this 5.4 is a string because it has been enclosed with double quotation. Similarly, you can use type 5.4. So this is also a string. Type, what is the data type of 5? You run it and it is an integer. What is the data type of 5.4? This is a decimal or a float. Okay, let's try this one. Print 5 and run. This is an error because print is a case sensitive function. So the first letter is an uppercase or a capital letter. So the Python interpreter doesn't know what this print means. So you have to be case sensitive and you run it. Now it's correct. Similarly, if we say type 4, then this should generate an error because type is not defined. This is also case sensitive. So this is our first simple Python code, and next time we will see what these cells are: code cell, markdown cell, and row cell. So in this code we only used the code cell. As you can see here, we use a code cell, and code cell. Next time we will see their differences, and we will also try to use all these 3 cells in Jupyter Notebook. Thank you for watching and have a nice time.